Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Tailwind is active and JIT is running so classes compile instantly. Next, open Tailwind. Config JS and add custom z-index values only if defaults lack needed layers. Once done, apply core utility classes like Z0, Z10, Z20 directly in your markup to set stacking context. Make sure to keep values logical and minimal. This prevents unexpected overlaps. You now have the first actionable steps to control stacking with Tailwind utilities. You need to manage stacking context carefully because z-index only affects positioned elements. First, add position class like relative or absolute to the element you want to move above others. Once positioned, apply an appropriate z-class. Larger numbers sit on top. Also, watch for CSS properties that create new stacking contexts. Transform, opacity, filter, since they isolate children. Make sure to test with varying viewport sizes and remove unnecessary transforms to keep z-index behavior predictable. To finish, standardize a z-index scale in Tailwind. Config JS so components share predictable layers, then refactor components to use those classes and verify layout across breakpoints. If things go wrong, inspect with DevTools, toggle position and z-classes, and look for transforms or opacity that create new stacking contexts. If an element still hides, increase z-value incrementally or remove the offending stacking context. You'll resolve most issues by isolating positioned ancestors and simplifying the stacking chain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.